Hi, my name is Brandon McCarebrook. I'm one of FC's Precision Planning Specialists. Today we're going to talk about meter calibration setup and why is it important to calibrate your meters. So right now I have a John Deere meter on the test stand. It is actually uncalibrated and this will be its first test run. To set it up, we're going to duplicate, how your planner is set up as far as speed, population, back pressure. That way we get your results how you're going to see them when you go to plant. When we set up the monitor to replicate your information, as you can see, we put your customer name in here, your planner make, any kind of special notes we want to put in, as far as is it a pre-test, is it a calibration test. We can actually put what row number the unit is, crop we're testing. Seed size, we can put variety and seed size in this box so you know what your meters were calibrated to. Population that you want to run, row spacing, meter type. This only changes when you get into different types of planters, whether it be a mechanical pickup, a vacuum, or a blower. Cells per revolution, which means your disc size. And then down here we have our target speed and our vacuum. Once we have all our information entered into the monitor, we go to our home screen. Here you will see our population, our singulation. This will be our customer information, which will have all your data about your planter, what row you number. This will be our corn tab, or what variety we have in there. This section will tell us how our spacing is coming out down the seed tube, vacuum, and whether our loss per acre. Now that's a figure that's put in there, and that figures up your economic loss based on the amount of skips and doubles it sees. Now that our test is complete, we can see that our uncalibrated meter is costing us a lot of money. As we look at the screen here, in that 1,000 seed test, we had 4 skips and 18 multiples. So just in that test, we lost $14 right off the top before the corn even come out of the ground. Now I have a calibrated meter on the test stand, and I'm going to start the test and show you the difference between having a calibrated versus an uncalibrated meter. So after our test, you can see that our calibrated meter did a lot better than our uncalibrated meter. We see that our population's right where we want to see it. Our singulation was 100%, so we didn't have any skips or multiples in that test run. And we look at our loss per acre, and it says good. So that means we're right where we need to be. We're not losing any money before the corn even comes out of the ground. So it just goes to show you, by just taking the time to do your calibrations will pay off big in the long run for you.